Jackson Financial is in third place in our community poll for the next stock to buy. And honestly, on the surface, it looks too good to be true. And as the old saying goes, if something's too good to be true, it probably is. So you have a PE ratio of 0.5 with a market cap of 2.7 billion and a dividend yield over 7%. I don't even know what Jackson does. So looking at their site, I'm noticing that the focus seems to be on retirement products, particularly annuities. Now, fun fact for those of you who don't know, if you win like the lottery or the Powerball or like the grand prize on America's Got Talent or anything like that where there's like a multi-million-dollar prize, normally the face value of the prize that's advertised is actually a fixed annuity that basically just pays a set amount over a certain number of years, and the total amount of payouts end up adding up to the amount of the prize, which, it's a lot less interesting to tell somebody, oh yeah, we'll pay you out $50K a year for 20 years or 40 years or whatever, rather than $1 million prize, $2 million prize. So that's how that all works. But Jackson actually sells annuity products that have apparently variable payouts for the purposes of retirement, because I'm assuming that there's some type of set payout structure where you're at least guaranteed a certain amount of income over a period of X number of years and that kind of thing. And I could see that, if you were planning on retiring and you just wanted, really secure, consistent income, why you might be interested in a product like that. Maybe you wouldn't want to risk investing in the stock market or even in bonds and that kind of thing because of, just because of the volatility and everything involved. However, what I don't understand on this company is the valuation, okay? A 0.5 PE ratio would mean that basically this 2.7 billion market cap is about half of the net income that they got in the last year, which that does check out, okay? I did look at their financials and they did have over 5 billion in net income on a 2.7 billion market cap. And when I pull up a DCF calculator on them, it definitely appears like they're worth a lot more than what they trade for by a massive amount. Like, to the point of being over 95% undervalued. And the tangible book value alone apparently looks to be over $100 per share, which, again, if we look at their balance sheet, we can see the shareholders' equity is in fact $8.4 billion as of the last most up-to-date 10K. Now, quarterly earnings are going to be released on the 10th of this month, so if there's a big change in equity that might have been already anticipated by the market, that may be why this company is trading at such a discount to this number today. But right off the bat, I'm going to just outright say, I do not understand how we get to the valuation of 33, 38, why it's trading at what appears to be such a substantial discount off of any kind of normal valuation. And it may just be that discounted free cash flow and even tangible book value, because even if we zero out earnings, zero out cash flow, just the balance sheet is supposedly worth 3 times more than the current trading price. So I really, really just suspect that this is a case of if it's too good to be true, it probably is, and would really, really, really need a much better understanding of how we got here in order to want to put my money into this company. Now, that being said, if this wins the poll in the community section, I'll absolutely buy the $100 worth like I promised, and it'll go into our YouTube dividend portfolio. And hey, hopefully it really is worth the $100 and we get it at a really great discount. But I just don't know how best to appropriately value an annuity company. And, they've only been publicly traded since 2021, so we don't really have a lot of history to go off of or anything like that. So I just have a really hard time wrapping my head around this one. But why don't you tell me what you think in the comments below, or hop on to Discord and give me some thoughts, maybe have a little bit of a conversation with me, help me understand this one. Take it easy, everyone. Have a wonderful day.